today's class we're going to talk about multi-intelligence. Multi-intelligence was first discovered by a guy named Howard Gardner, and we're going to talk about the there were seven initial ways that he discovered how people learn, because as students, we all learn differently. At the beginning of the year, we was all grouped in fours. Now we're grouped in pairs because I kind of found out your learning styles. Different people have different learning styles. We have some kids that are word smart, math smart, music smart, body smart, natural smart, self smart, people smart, and art smart. And I'm going to tell you what those are. Matter of fact, I'm going to let one of your classmates help you with the introduction of the vocabulary. All right? Today's objective for you as a class is I will be able to discuss multi-intelligence, discover the learning styles through a multi-intelligence test. So as a class, you will be able to do what, class?
I will be able to discuss multiple intelligence and discover their learning styles through a multi-intelligence test.
All right, so my learning goal for you today is for you to discuss multi-intelligence, how it was discovered, how they are discovered, how you're going to be categorized. By the end of the day, you will know your style of learning. You're going to know your style of learning. All right? What is multi-intelligence? What is multi-intelligence? What is multi-intelligence? All right? We're going to have Bella. You're going to help us with the vocabulary that we discussed. So go ahead and tell them the 8 categories for multi-intelligence.
Word smart, linguistic. Number smart, logical, mathematical. Art or picture smart, visual, spatial. Music smart, musical. Nature smart, naturalistic. People smart, interpersonal. Self smart, interpersonal. Body smart, bodily kinesthetic.
All right, so by the end of the day, we'll all learn how we learn. We'll figure out how we learn. Some of us are word smart. We read words, we recognize them, and that's the way we learn. Some people are math smart. A lot of us love math. I believe I'm a smart math person. Everything I do, I come up with some kind of math format or some way to figure things out. I'm a problem solver. Some people learn with music. A lot of us learn with music. Some people can study with music. I myself can't learn with music. Some people learn with beats. I went to college, when I attended college, some of my friends, they study with music. I can't do that, I have to be isolated. Body smart, those are those people, those athletic people who run around, kinetics. They move around, they jump around, and that's how they learn things, by going through them and using their body. Also, we have natural smart. Some people just naturally smart. Then we have self smart. Those are those individuals who like to work by themselves. Those individuals. We have some groups. I have put you in groups before. I put you in pairs. And some people still won't work with others. Some of those people are. All right, and then we have individuals who are art smart. Those are the people who use art or drawings or paintings to understand concepts and other things. Today as a class, you're going to take a multi-intelligence test. I'm going to hand it out. I'm going to give you a few minutes to take that test, and then we're going to group one another. We're going to group each person in their multi-intelligence group, saying how you learn. Remember, I told you there's a total of 7, but Mr. Gardner came up with the 8th one. All right? All this started in 1983, and that's how sometimes I come up with my lessons, my assessments, my tests. A lot of the things that I do is dealing with multi-intelligence. All right? There's many ways to assess kids, and that's what we're going to do today. All right, engineer, can you pass out these multi-intelligence tests for me? And then I'm going to need an individual to read the directions for me, please. Once we get them all out, then I'll pick someone to read for us. Let me have one. looked on this survey, it gives you the 8 types of multi-intelligence. All right, can I get a volunteer to read? I need 8 volunteers to read. All right, make sure we read it nice and clear. Go ahead for me, sis.
Fold the paper on the dark vertical line so that the 8 columns on the right are folded back. Then read each statement below. Rate each statement from 0 to 5 according to how well the description fits you. Next, unfold the paper and transfer each number over to the outlined in row on the same row. Finally, add up the numbers in each column to find the total score for each multiple intelligence area. The highest possible score is one area is 15. How many ways are you smart?
All right, everybody pay attention. Everybody see the bold line. Does everybody see the bold line?
Yes.
In the survey? Does everybody see the bold line?
Yes.
You're gonna take your paper and you're gonna fold it on that bold line. So now it should look like this. All right, I'm gonna go over some of the instructions again. All right, so it should look like this. Right on that bold line, you should all fold it on that bold line. It says, which of the following are true about you? So you have a list of questions, and you're gonna score them from 0 to 5. You're gonna score them from 0 to 5. 0 means not at all, and 5 means very true. So you have a scale from 0 to 5, 0 meaning not at all, and 5 meaning very true. So you have a scale from 0 to 5. 0 meaning not at all. That means it does not apply to you. And then you have a scale, if it applies to you, and it applies to you, then you're going to put very true. If it's very true about you, you're going to put very true. So between 0 and 5, you also have some gray area. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? So you're going to go along, which of the following are true about you? You're going to take a few minutes and you're going to go down the list. You're going to read this to yourself. This is an individual assignment, not a part of the assignment, because you want to find out what is your learning style. What is your multi-intelligent? Which of the following are true about me? So you're going to go down this list and you're going to find out if it's true or not true about you. You have a scale from 0 to 5. All right, if it does not apply to you at all, you're going to put a 0. If it really applies to you, then you're going to put 5. So you have gray area from 0 to 5. Do we understand?
Yes.
All right, let me give you an example of the first one. All right, it says, I enjoy singing and I sing well. If it was me, do I enjoy singing? Somewhat. So if it doesn't really apply to me, I'll probably put, if I sing something once in a while, I may put a 1 or a 2. All right, the next one says, I love crossword puzzles and word games. If that apply to me, I'm gonna put if it doesn't apply to me, I'm gonna put a 0. If it apply to me somewhat, I might put a 1. If I do puzzles 2 or 3 times out the week,